Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a Temu haul. Now this is a long-awaited haul. It's been sitting there for the longest time, literally ever since my birthday. It's the 22nd of September. It's been a while, girl. So I do have a Temu playlist, which is going to be in the description box below. You guys know I do these types of videos all the time. Usually it comes with a haul. I do a full face using the products, and then we do a ranking video. So if you want to see that intrigues you, definitely follow me because I do this type of videos all the time. So I have a little bit of a big makeup haul here in front of me. So if you want to see the products that I picked up, just keep on watching. A lot of the products that I picked up this time around are definitely more dupe products, so dupe for high-end brands. Obviously they're not the same quality, they're just a good price, and they literally look like the high-end products, girl. So there's nothing wrong with that in my opinion. So the first product that I have here is the Eyebrow Brow Styling Anti-Gravity Brow Styling Spiking Glue. It is a water resistant, super strong hold gel up to 12 hours for brows and edges. Interesting. So this just gave me a vibe of something else that I've seen on the market. So it just looked really intriguing. I dropped the brush. Let me grab it. The whole mission trying to get that brush. All right, so there's a look at the product, again from the brand Eyebrow. So basically it's just a brow glue to make your brows spiky. So I'm kind of like, oh, I was thinking it was going to be clear, but it's actually a white kind of product. And you just kind of pop it onto the brows. And supposedly it's up to 12 hours, so we'll see about that. It also does come with this little brush in there as well, which as you can see, it's already slanted for you, perfect to get into those brows. And then we have a little spoolie at the bottom as well, so cute. Next, this product has been in my cart for the longest time. It goes in my cart, it goes out the cart. Girl, we have a little bit of a feud going, but this is from, not sure what brand are you, girl. I'm gonna have it down below, but this is just the eyebrow pencil and eyebrow gel. Comes in this set here in the shade dark brown. Has no specific brand on it for some reason. Okay, so this is Seventh Girls brand. So there's a look at the brow gel. Just a clear moment. Love. We have the brow pencil. As you can see, is an alleged dupe of Benefit, I believe, has a brow pencil like this. I don't know. Again, from Seventh Girls, a highly pigmented eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. So we're gonna go ahead and use this when the time comes, but it's like really hard to open. So on one side you get the spoolie, girl, and then on the other you get the pencil. Ooh, and I got the shade dark brown. This is it built up. So we're gonna see how this works on the brows. You guys know nothing beats my She Glam eyebrow product. I love it so much. I have it on the brows today. I just love it. Okay, so we're gonna see how this works, but I love the neutral kind of moment it comes in. It's just so cute. Next we have a foundation. This is actually from the same brand. I didn't notice that, but it's the same brand as the spiking glue. This is the Eyebrow Matte Foundation Stick, and this is a Sculpted Beauty outline. Okay, so it's basically a foundation stick. Also comes with the brush at the bottom. There's a look at the box. It says Ladies Revolution Velvet Matte Foundation Stick. It gives you the ingredients. The first one is mineral oil, and then the manufacturer and all that information in the back of the box. So lovely. I also did pick up the shade Warm Beige number 3. I love to like say all the details in the video because sometimes these products go out of stock, or if I need to write it in the description box, I love to say it all in the video, girl, while I'm editing. So there's a look at the product. This is again Eyebrow Matte Foundation. Oh, love that it has the shade at the bottom, Warm Beige. Okay, I'm living for this neutral packaging that it has. It's so cute. So I was seeing the reviews. You guys know I love to look at the reviews. Do it, girl, because sometimes you never know. You might see something that you don't like. You're like, oh, never mind, let me take this out of my cart. With certain products, makeup products, clothing, all of that. So definitely look at the reviews before you purchase something. Okay, so it tells you how to use it on the back. Interesting. And it has a built-in applicator as well. So that's what I wanted to mention. I did see a reviewer talk about this on Temu, and girl, the foundation's at the top, right? It's just like what you would just think. I don't know, in my opinion, like when you're looking at the pictures, you just know the foundation's at the top. You twist it, it comes up. Very much like the Pixie blushes, bronzers that they came out with. So this is, again, the shade medium, Warm Beige. It's looking a little light, girl, okay? as expected. Usually Temu was really hard to color match, you know, myself, because it's limited in shades. But so somebody was trying to get the product out of the brush for some reason. So this is just a brush. There's no product that comes out of this. It's just a brush to help you blend it in. So just so you know, because somebody did think that this was the actual product and they could not get anything out of it, and they're like, no matter how much I try, nothing's coming out. It's a brush. There's no product in there. So I don't know if I commented that, honestly. I'm gonna go back and check, but I'm gonna let her know what's going on. I hope she didn't get rid of it, because the actual product's at the top. It gives me deodorant vibes, right? So yeah, that's the foundation that we have. It's a little light. I'm a little scared, but here we go. I also did pick up 2 press powders. This is the micro powder colorful complexion perfecting moment. Okay, so this is from LECOVER. I'm watching a video. Maybe it's not the best thing to do when I'm filming, because I'm like, what's going on back there? So this is the LECOVER complexion perfecting micro powder, soft focus, lasting in the shade 4. And of course I got it because of the packaging. Is giving very much Charlotte Tilbury vibes, in my opinion, allegedly. I'm scared, girl. So yeah, love the packaging. Actually feels really nice quality. And so you get a mirror, you also get a little poof, you get the powder in here. Again, in the shade 04. I thought this one would match me the best. Let's go ahead and swatch. Okay, cool. Yeah, that should be fine on my under eye. So yes, cannot wait to try that out. I also did go ahead and pick up another LECOVER product. Yes, love. Makeup setting powder, filter soft focus, lasting micro powder. Okay, looks like so. I did cut into it, and there's a look at this product. How stunning. I did cut it. I was trying to get in here, girl, so be careful with that. You also do get a mirror in here, and you get another powder. How stunning. Go ahead and swatch. Ooh, love. Cannot wait to try these out on the face, girl. Living for the packaging. Also did pick up a set of little poofs, which you guys have seen in action here on my channel, and these are just little rhinestone poofs. As you can see, I think it came with 5 in total, but these are so adorable. Again, I'm gonna have all these products down below, names and prices. If I can add links, I will. Beautiful. Love these. I used it today to set my under eyes with some powder. Love these, and they're just cute and like rhinestone, super girly vibes. So I did use this in my Mean Girls collection debut video. I've also just been using it off camera as well. They're so cute, girls, so definitely get your hands on them if you haven't already. Love. Next product is from a brand I don't know how to pronounce. It's MSYAHO professional makeup. MSYAHO, I think. I don't know. But this is basically the most beautiful highlight in the world. It has the most beautiful imprint, and that's the only reason why I picked this up, girl. Doesn't really dupe anything high-end or anything like that, but it's just stunning, and that's why I picked it up. So this one is a blush. Yes, it's blusher, but honestly I'm gonna use it as a highlight. Look at that. It's stunning. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, it's a baked highlight. It's not really giving, and I'm a little scared it's gonna like pop out of here because it looks a little like not secure, but can't wait to put that on the face. It looks so beautiful. I'm sad because one of the products did come broken. It was the other version of this product here. So this is the EO Hope Butter Moisturizing Blush in the shade Pink. I did also buy a bronzer, which is what came broken, which I'm so sad about. I'm so sad. It's always something that comes broken, girl. So this is basically an alleged dupe of the NYX, what are they called, butter blushes or whatever, that just came out recently. So there's a look at that. I've been eyeing these out on the site, so I finally went ahead and picked one up. This is a super pale pink moment. How stunning is that? Bubble gum pink. So definitely have to go back on the site and purchase the bronzer again, because I definitely want to try that out. But yeah, this is so pretty. It's definitely giving bubblegum pink vibes. Stunning. I also did go ahead and pick up a mascara. So this is the waterproof Fairy Girl, well, I guess Fairy Girl is the brand. Fairy Girl waterproof long lasting mascara. Just look at that. Again, love. They have different variations of this mascara on the website, but I went ahead and picked up this one here, which I don't know what brand came out with something like this. Is it Benefit? I don't know, but yeah, I did go ahead and buy this. I think I already did open it just to look at it. There's a look at the wand. Really intriguing, so cannot wait to use all of these products on my face, girl. We have 2 more products to go. We also have an eyeshadow palette. So if you guys have seen my other Temu videos in the past, you guys know I already bought a palette from Heki. So this is the Heki Talk Free palette. Because I did buy the pink one, I did go ahead and buy the Gold Time. So there's a look at the palette. There's an alleged dupe of Rare Beauty palettes. It does come with a mirror, and then there's a look at the color story. So this is definitely the more neutral version versus the last one was more pinky vibes, which I did do a couple looks with here on my channel. So I did pick up this one and it looks beautiful. Why don't we go ahead and swatch the highlight in the center? These are so buttery, girl, stunning. How beautiful is that? Can't wait to use this. It looks so beautiful and I love the packaging. So it tells you something. I went back on the site and bought the other variation because I love the pink one already. Definitely have to wipe down my hand because we have a couple more swatches to do. I did go ahead and pick up a liquid lipstick set from Becky Sue. I've never purchased from this brand, but this is the Coffee Collection Matte Ink liquid lipsticks. It comes with a total of 5 in here, and this is their coffee collection because I think they also did have a pink collection as well, but I did want this collection. How many times am I gonna say collection? All right, so there's a look at the liquid lipsticks. As you can see, they gave me very much allegedly Maybelline coffee vibes because they also did come out with the Coffee Collection liquid lipstick set a couple years ago. So these are literally giving me that vibe. So I went ahead and picked up this collection, the Cocoa Collection Matte Ink style from Becky Sue. So let's go ahead and swatch these because I'm living, and especially this is giving very much fall vibes to me. So let's go ahead and swatch them. Love that they have different numbers on the bottom, girl. Not names, but whatever. So there's a look at the packaging again. You get the brand, you get the name of the liquid lipstick, and then the number at the bottom. There's a look at the applicator. I love that it comes with a little teardrop moment, and also that indent in the middle is like a little hole which helps grab more product and you don't have to keep dipping in. So love that already. Oh, they don't smell like anything, but girl, these are pigmented. This one here is in the shade 255. Next we have the shade 270, stunning. 265, love. 260, I went ahead and swatched over here, giving very much pinky mauve vibes. 275 is the deepest and darkest in the pack. Look at how beautiful these are. These were literally one swipe coverage moments, girl. I was shocked. The actual applicator holds so much product. These are stunning. I cannot wait to try them out. I'm so excited. I love everything that I picked up so far. Everything is looking amazing. We're gonna see how everything works on the face. So if you want to see that, definitely stick around. That was the last product in today's haul. Again, I do have a playlist which is going to be in the description box below, so definitely check that out. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cannot wait to try all of these products on my face. Have you bought any of these products? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.